Hello everyone, it's Mary J, and today we are diving into a topic that's close to my heart, our health. We all know someone who has been touched by cancer, and early detection can truly be life-saving. That's why in this video, we're going to cover 15 crucial warning signs of cancer that you absolutely shouldn't ignore. But by arming yourselves with knowledge, you can take control of your health and potentially catch cancer in its early stages. Make sure to watch until the end. This information could potentially save your life or the life of someone you love. Have you noticed the numbers on the scale dropping without any effort on your part? While many would celebrate, sudden and unintentional weight loss can be a red flag. We're talking about a significant drop in weight without any changes to your diet or exercise routine. This type of weight loss can be a sign of various cancers, including stomach, lung, or pancreatic cancer. If you're experiencing this, don't brush it off as good luck. Get it checked out. If you're losing weight without trying, schedule a visit with your doctor. We all experience tiredness from time to time, especially in our busy lives. But if you're constantly feeling exhausted, even after a good night's sleep and rest, it's time to pay attention. This persistent fatigue can be a symptom of cancers like leukemia or colon cancer. Don't just chalk it up to stress or a busy schedule. Persistent fatigue that doesn't improve with rest needs to be addressed. If you're experiencing this type of fatigue, talk to your doctor. Your skin is your largest organ, and it can tell you a lot about your health. Pay close attention to any unusual changes in your skin, as they can sometimes be a sign of cancer. This includes new moles, changes in the size, shape, or color of existing moles, sores that don't heal, or any new and unusual growths. If you notice any unusual moles, growths, or other skin changes, schedule an appointment with a dermatologist or your primary care physician. They can examine your skin, determine if further evaluation is needed, and discuss treatment options if necessary. We all get coughs and colds from time to time, but a cough that just won't quit, especially if you're not sick, can be a warning sign. Similarly, hoarseness that persists for an extended period, especially if you haven't been overusing your voice, should raise a red flag. A persistent cough can be a sign of lung cancer, while hoarseness can indicate throat cancer. Don't ignore a cough or hoarseness that lingers. It's crucial to get it checked out. Our bodies are creatures of habit, especially when it comes to bowel movements and urination. If you notice any persistent changes in these habits, it's essential to pay attention. Persistent changes in bowel habits can be a sign of colon cancer, while changes in urinary habits can indicate bladder or prostate cancer. If you experience any persistent changes in your bowel or bladder habits, don't hesitate to discuss them with your doctor. They can assess your symptoms and recommend further testing if necessary. Bleeding is never normal unless it's from a cut or scrape that you can explain. If you experience unusual bleeding, such as blood in your stool, urine, or from your vagina, it's crucial to seek medical attention promptly. Blood in the stool can be a sign of colon or rectal cancer, while blood in the urine can indicate bladder or kidney cancer. Unusual vaginal bleeding can be a symptom of cervical or uterine cancer. Consult your doctor immediately to determine the cause and receive appropriate medical care. One of the most well-known warning signs of cancer is a lump or thickening in the breast or elsewhere in the body. It's crucial to have any new or unusual lumps checked by a healthcare professional. Breast cancer can present as a lump in the breast or underarm area. Lumps in the neck, armpit, or groin can be a sign of cancer. If you notice any new lumps, schedule an appointment with your doctor. We often take the simple act of swallowing for granted, but difficulty swallowing, also known as dysphagia, can be a warning sign of cancer. If you experience persistent difficulty swallowing, especially if it's accompanied by pain, choking, or the feeling of food getting stuck in your throat, it's essential to seek medical attention. Difficulty swallowing can be a symptom of esophageal or throat cancer. If you experience persistent difficulty swallowing, your doctor can perform a physical exam and recommend appropriate treatment options if cancer is diagnosed. We've all experienced indigestion at some point, often after a heavy meal, but if you have persistent indigestion or discomfort after eating, especially if it's accompanied by other symptoms like nausea, vomiting, or weight loss, it's essential to get it checked out. This type of persistent indigestion can be a sign of stomach or esophageal cancer. Your doctor can evaluate your symptoms and order tests to determine the cause of your digestive problems. Pain is our body's way of telling us that something is wrong. While most pain is temporary and treatable, persistent pain, especially if it's unexplained and doesn't respond to over-the-counter pain relievers, should never be ignored. Persistent pain in any part of the body can be a symptom of cancer. If you're experiencing persistent pain, don't try to tough it out. Our lymphatic system plays a crucial role in our immune system, and lymph nodes, small bean-shaped glands located throughout our body, are a key part of this system. Swollen lymph nodes often indicate your body is fighting an infection, but they can also signal cancer. If you notice swollen lymph nodes, especially if they're hard and painless and don't shrink after a few weeks, see your doctor. Fever is a common symptom of many illnesses, including the flu and common cold. However, a persistent fever that doesn't go away or keeps coming back, especially if it's accompanied by night sweats, can be a warning sign of cancer. Ongoing fever or night sweats can be a sign of leukemia or lymphoma. If you experience persistent fever or night sweats, especially if they're accompanied by other symptoms like unexplained weight loss or fatigue, consult your doctor promptly. Most of us have experienced cuts, scrapes, and sores that heal within a reasonable amount of time. However, sores that don't heal, especially in the mouth, can be a warning sign of cancer. Sores in the mouth, especially on the tongue, gums, or inner cheeks, that don't heal within a few weeks, could be a sign of oral cancer. If you notice any sores in your mouth that don't heal, don't ignore them. Bruises are a common occurrence, often resulting from bumps and minor injuries. However, unexplained bruising, especially if it appears easily or in unusual locations, can be a warning sign of cancer. Unexplained bruising can be a symptom of leukemia or other blood cancers. If you notice unexplained bruising, especially if it's accompanied by other symptoms like fatigue, pale skin, or frequent infections, consult your doctor to determine the underlying cause. Our mouths can provide valuable clues about our overall health, and changes in the mouth can sometimes indicate an increased risk of cancer. White patches in the mouth, known as leukoplakia, can be precancerous and may develop into oral cancer if left untreated. Red or white sores that don't heal, lumps or thickening in the cheeks or gums, and persistent sore throat or hoarseness can also be warning signs of oral cancer. If you notice any unusual changes in your mouth, don't hesitate to schedule an appointment with your dentist or doctor for a thorough examination. We've covered a lot today, and I hope this empowers you to take control of your health. Remember, paying attention to your body and being aware of cancer warning signs can make a difference. Early detection is key, and the sooner you catch it, the better. If you experience any warning signs, don't panic, but don't ignore them. Schedule an appointment with your doctor. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe for more content on living healthier.